back here on Mike's Lincoln, getting it ready for the show. I fired it up on a little brake clean starting fluid mix. Just want it to run a little bit. Then I'm going to undo the fuel line at the sender, drain the tank of the ancient gas. Then we will prime her again when Mike gets back with some gas. And then run fresh fuel through her. But she started up, runs good. Solid. So just running the car, she's nice and smooth. Cooling system has perfect, beautiful pressure. Look at that. No leaks. This is a damn good car, boys. All right, we're gonna drain that fuel, put some fresh in. It's already been a minute, and it hasn't ran out of fuel yet. I just kind of want to see how long it's gonna take, just for fun at this point. But we're draining the old fuel, which isn't that bad. It smells a little varnishy, but it's still really clear, which is a positive thing to our location, obviously, here in a place that doesn't have shitty weather like most of the U.S. I'm talking to you guys in the Northeast. I don't know what's wrong with y'all. Anyway, down here in the desert Southwest, you know, stuff survives, but ethanol-based gas like this is still shit, so is what it is. So we're going to put some fresh in when Mike gets back. So here's the old fuel. Well, not all of it, but most of it. Even though it's a green container, it's definitely a little bit on the yeller side. But it's not bad.